Hello everyone, welcome to another SEMrush tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to do keyword research with SEMrush and ChatGPT. Now, first of all, if you have SEMrush account, log in into your SEMrush account because you will need a keyword magic tool, and also log in into your ChatGPT account as well. If you don't have SEMrush account, you can check out our link down below to get account for absolutely free. Obviously you will get some also bonuses as well with that link down below. Now obviously as we're using keyword magic tool, first we need to go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT what we want to do research on. So let's say like this. So I have a blog and I want to find top 10 SEO optimized keywords for my blog. And now you can say my blog is focused around iPhone reviews. So I am looking for iPhone reviews keywords that I can rank for, that are low competition and high in search volume. This is what we're looking for. Obviously, the more specific this is, the better this is for you. You can click enter here and you will get basically keywords that can be used as you can see for your keyword research. Now this is only one way how you can use ChatGPT. Obviously there are a bunch of different ways. Now for example, what we can see is that battery life in iPhone reviews, these reviews are very popular right now. So what we can do is we can say iPhone battery life. That can be a keyword. We can go here and search for that specific keyword, right? Which is great. So let's do just that. Let's go here and type in iPhone battery life. And as you can see, we'll get basically a bunch of keywords right here for iPhone battery life. Not only that, what we can do is we can search this by questions. So we can click questions, and as you can see, we can also sort KD to be low because we want low KD and we want enough keyword difficulty so that we can rank for it. Now as you can see, we have questions here. How long battery life iPhone 11? Now as you can see, this is possible. So it's possible to rank on this, but we will need well-structured and unique content. What we're looking for is under 20 or under 15. That would be the best KD in terms of percentage. Now KD is again keyword difficulty. It shows you how hard it would be to rank for a specific keyword. Now obviously we can go here and type in 7 for example, and we can get here a bunch of different keywords that don't have KD. So we're looking for keywords that have KD. Now as you can see, this way you can basically go and you can see which keywords you want to choose for your specific for your specific blog or website. Keep in mind that ChatGPT is just an assistant here. So if you find more keywords, you can find more keywords. You can try all of these keywords as well, and you can basically plug them in the SEMrush to see which keywords are the best for you. Now this is only one way how to use ChatGPT. If you want to see more tutorials on this, and if you want to see how to use ChatGPT with SEMrush, comment down below and I'll do another video on this particular topic. Now obviously check out our link down below if you want to get a free trial on SEMrush, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.